In this video, we will go over the craziest motorcycle police chases caught on Dashcam, where some of them are able to successfully run from the cops after going over 160 miles per hour, where others go into a fatal crash after trying to do the same. Like this moped rider, who thought he would be able to run from the cops with his 50cc moped. And after he thought he lost them, he hit a dead end, and some Karens even tried to block his path on the left. And here's where everything goes down, because after the Karen tries to push him off the bike, he pulled too much front brake and crashed, but he was able to get back to his bike and continue running away. Now is where he decided to turn his bike off and go on foot, successfully running from the cops. But we cannot say the same for this biker, because while he was doing some wheelies on a public road, he got pulled over. But instead of pulling over and just getting a warning, he decided to flip off the cops and run away. This chase lasted for over 10 minutes, and when he got up to this double lane road, things didn't go as planned. He crashed and broke several bones and completely broke his bike, giving the perfect example as why you should never pass someone on a double lane. But now we are going to see why you should never run from a biker cop, because they never mess around. Because while he was chasing a biker on what it looks like a major highway, just look how the cop screams down a narrow shoulder while chasing another biker. Now let's rewind to the exact moment our suspect crashed. You can see our suspect on the bright green vest as he gets to the left lane. This is not the best clothing choice to wear while committing crime, but let's just assume he wasn't planning running away that day. He goes to the right and nearly crashes into the police officer, even though the left lane was wide open. And after cuffing the suspect, he was sentenced for 25 years in jail for running 2 red lights and not pulling over.